back with another video, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how can we install the Nothing OS boot animation in any USB based custom ROM. You guys give it a try, and I will show you a different method, like you guys already, some of you maybe know and some of you not. And there are two types of method you guys can follow, and one will be root method and another will be non-root method. So I will show you the non-root method, and root method doesn't help for this one. And if you don't want to root, and this method will work for both people. If you want to root and if you don't want to root, there is no issue. Just boot your device into recovery mode. So I am rebooting my device into recovery. First of all, boot your device into your recovery. So device booted finally, and this is Android 12 issue, which is encryption problem. So don't worry about that. After booting into recovery, just go to 3-line menu and then go to mount section, and then mount the system partition, and then get back, and then go up and find out the system folder. And before we do that process, you must keep a backup of your default boot animation. That means the ROM installed on your device, you must keep a backup of that boot animation. In case you face any problem like boot loop or anything, then you guys can recover by that default boot animation. So first of all, mount the system, then find out the system folder, then open system folder. You guys can see on the top I already in the system folder. Then find out the media folder, then you guys will get that boot animation zip file, which is default zip file, and I'm just going to copy this one. After copying this one, I will just paste it to my SD card because I want to take backup of that one. And here is the document. I'm just going to paste it here. I need to copy that one again. Find out system, then media, then boot animation. Just copy that one and then go to SD card, and wherever you want, you just want to paste, just paste it here. I'm just pasting here. So successful, file operation completed. Now I will just navigate to the folder where I have stored the Nothing OS boot animation, or any kind of boot animation you guys can install this way. So I'm just navigating to the folder. I have stored the file, and here is the file, boot animation zip. Just copying this one. And remember one thing before you do that process, again let me show you and get back to the boot animation of your device default. Again go to system, media, and press and hold of your default boot animation and click on set permission, and you guys will see the permission which will be read, write, read. That means RW, RR, and the permission value, if you want to see, 0644. Now you guys can get back to the your files folder where you have stored the file, and let me go. Here is the file, boot animation, because this boot animation will replace your default boot animation. That's why we already kept the backup. And now find out the folder system, and here is the media. Now paste your required boot animation file, and you guys can see file operation completed. That means our default boot animation already changed with the latest one. So now navigate to the folder, the boot animation folder. That means go to system again and go to media again. Here is the media, and now this is the new one. Set the permission. You guys can see when you just copy and paste the new one, you will get that type of permissions, but you need to set it 0644. So just click set 0644 and OK. Now swipe to confirm. Now you are done. Now you can reboot system. You guys will get the new boot animation. So let's see. So here you guys can see this is the Nothing OS new boot animation, and our device is booting, which is Redmi 7 I'm showing here. You guys can follow this process to install any kind of boot animation on your device, and which will be Android 12, Android 12.L, whatever you see. So device booted finally. This is the way you guys can actually install any boot animation on your device. So hope you guys understand my video, and if I miss anything then let me know in the comment section below, and I will try to improve in near future. So thank you for watching.